What's up guys, it's your boy Poultry and Rabbit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, as well as turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video you will be notified. So in today's video guys, a lot of people have been asking me, why do you use mostly marasha when curing chitosi, or how do you prepare marasha when you want to cure chitosi or coccidiosis in English. So in today's video I want to explain why I use marasha rather than antibiotics, or how to prepare those marasha into an antibiotic kuti ndikwanise kurapa chitosi. So guys, stay tuned. Those chicks, I'm not yet guys, they are 3 weeks old but they are developing coccidiosis symptoms, chitosi. So guys, they are not yet doing marine droppings, so it's still the earlier stage than marine droppings. So guys, let me show you the chicks. So guys, these are the chicks, they are 100, but you can see some of them they are not active, some of them they are dropping wings. Look at that black Australian chick, this one is dropping wings. So guys, I need to make sure these chicks are okay. So let me, you can follow this video, let me prepare the charcoal, then I will tell you what I... So guys, as I mentioned in the previous videos, there's a video which I made on how to use marasha and how to crush marasha. So I would show you how to prepare marasha and crush marasha so that you can know the process before administering it. So the first question would be which type of marasha that we can use to cure chitosi. So any type of marasha anoita either ehuni dzatinovesa or either atinoshandisa kudziisa mvura kana kuisa mumbaura, they are good. The only marasha atisinga recommend ndi marasha aya anoshanda anonge ashanda anenge abva kuma-treated pores. So we don't allow those marasha to be used because anenge aine ma-chemicals akawanda. So this is how you prepare. So kana watora marasha, you crush them, wakrusha to fine particles, then womaisa mvura wokudzonwa, right? So these some of the reasons why you prefer kushandisa marasha than kushandisa ma-chemicals, ma-antibiotics like ESB3, aliserol, astrisol, ultrasulfadimadine, etc. So the first reason is charcoal is a natural treatment that can be organic for those who want to specialize mostly in organic farming. So if you are doing organic farming, you don't need to apply antibiotics and chemicals to your chickens. So you need to use what you call the natural remedies. So marasha is one of the best natural remedies when it comes to curing chitosi. The other reason why guys I prefer using marasha is what you call the absorption properties. So ukapa marasha, the first thing anoita kana apinda mubody anotanga kuabsorba all the toxins and pathogens inside the gut. So that reduces the impact of coccidiosis without disrupting the gut. So ndikuti ukaipa marasha anoshanda immediately as soon as they enter the body, anotanga kuabsorba all the toxins. Unlike antibiotics, if you use antibiotics, it means you need 2 to 3 days for them to start working inside the body. So you need to make sure that washandisa chinhu chiri faster. So ukashandisa antibiotic to the extent yekuti wakuma-red droppings, it means one a high risk of losing even more than half of your stock, because you need 2 to 3 days for the antibiotic to start working rather than using charcoal. So charcoal ine immediate effect yekuti inoshanda, especially kana wakuma extent yekuti chitosi chako chakuma-red droppings. So you need to make sure that you use marasha, right? Another reason why I use marasha is what you call the reduced antibiotic resistant. So kana ukashandisa marasha yatinoti minimize the risk of developing antibiotic resistant. You can use an antibiotic resistor. Let's say waita chitosi, you can use astrisol but inogona kuresistwa with the coccidiosis pathogens or the coccidiosis virus inenge iri inside the body. Antibiotic inokwanisa kuresistwa with that antibiotic yaunenge washandisa. That's another reason why I use a charcoal. Right, another reason why I use charcoal, guys, is lower risk of side effects. So if you want to keep your beds organically, we know that organic things are healthier as compared to zvinorimwa nemafertilizer or huku dzinopiwa ma-antibiotics. So if ukashandisa marasha, it means you are using a natural remedy that has lower risk of side effects, right, as compared to antibiotics. So you should use natural remedies like marasha. Zvino reduce nyaya yema side effects. Then another issue is cost effective. Obviously you can find marasha for free. Unokwanisa kumaona for free kana usina kutenga, unokwanisa kungovesa huni dzako woisa marasha. As compared to use of antibiotics, you now need mari yekuti unotenga ma-antibiotics. That will be more expensive. For example, if you know 100, you can need maybe 2 packets of Astricel, because inopiwa from 2 to 5 days. So you may need 2 packets of Astricel. That will be $12. But you can use marasha at $2, or you can even find marasha for free. What did I say? Wotokuya woisa muhuku dzako. Sometimes nyaya yekutiwo Astricel yacho inogona kushaiwa, of which we don't have a single antibiotic inorapa chitosi, but unokwanisa kushaya ari effective. Some of them are not even effective. Unokwanisa kushandisa but utadza kushanda. So the best way is to use this natural marasha, natural antibiotic. So as I mentioned earlier in this video, guys, when using marasha, it becomes very fast for them to absorb all the toxins inside the intestines. So kana ukashandisa marasha, it means risk yekuti uluze huku dzakawanda, it will be less, because sometimes unogona chitosi chava to that extent yekuti antibiotic unogona kushandisa but huku dzinogona kufa. Let's say une huku 100 dzirwara nechitosi, kana dzakuita ma red droppings, ukapa Astricel, ukapa ESB3, ukapa Bramamed, it means inoshanda but unogona kuluza half of the stock, either 50 beds, you can lose 50 chicks due to resistance, or even kuti iri kunonoka kuita sei kushanda mubody, saka huku dzinoita sei dzinogona kufa. So using marasha is the best way, guys, as compared to shandisa ma-antibiotics when it comes to chitosi, especially when you are when yava kuextend yekuti yakuita ma-red droppings. So what are the prevention measure of chitosi? Guys, chitosi chinopreventwa by hygiene and sanitation. Huku dzikadya matosi adzo ndo chinokonzera chatinoti chitosi, right? So there's a difference between chitosi and venti paste. A lot of people think venti paste is chitosi, but chitosi is not venti paste. Chitosi ndechekuita ma-red droppings, and normally ma-signs echitosi chinotangira kuma-white droppings, as well as huku inoita ma-dropped wings, as well as kuita kuva inactive yekuti unaisa musoro muhuro. So these are the benefits of using charcoal as compared to what you call antibiotics. So you should also practice hygiene and sanitation in order to prevent chitosi. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. As always, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified.